Exercise 19D, division. Here you see this question. You have a in the numerator and a in the denominator. We can just cancel that. No need to do anything extra. You have a 3 in the numerator. Write it directly. This a and a will get cancelled. Similarly, here 15 divided by 3 is 5. X and x will get cancelled. So our answer is 5 only. Next, 16 divided by 4 will be equal to 4. There is no variable in the denominator. See, so we will write the numerator as it is 4m. Next, is always write the coefficients first. After that you go for the variables. Actually you have to write the sign first, whether it is a plus sign or minus sign, but I see in your book there are no problems with the negative sign, so we are directly going for the coefficient. After that we are writing the variables. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Then what have I told you about the variables? See, here the powers are different, so we should subtract the powers. X power, this is 1, okay, x power 1. So you will get x power 2 minus 1, x power 2 minus 1, that is equal to 4x. 30 divided by 10 is 3. P square, same part, so you can cancel, no need to write any variable. 14 divided by 2 is 7. A cube divided by a square, different powers, now we have to subtract. A power 3 minus 2. There is no other b term, so I am going to write it as it is. So what will you get? 7 a power 1 b power 3. No need to write the power 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. P, same power, cancel it off. Q, the power is same. Only r square is remaining, right? R square. 100 divided by 52. See, this problem is slightly different from the previous problems. In the previous problem, in this one, you had the variable in the numerator. But in this question, see, the variable is given in the denominator. We are not able to cancel it also. So, if you write like this, 2b, then it will be wrong. So you have to write 2 by b, because the variable is not going to jump and go to the numerator. It is in the denominator. It will be there only till the end. So 2 by b. Next your question is also similar only. 2 divided by 1, that is 2. X power 5 divided by x square. X power 5 minus 2. What will you get? 2x power 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. A power 8 minus 3. 2 a power 5. See, in this question we have a minus sign. So far we did not have any minus sign, so I didn't bother about the sign. But here you have a negative sign. Plus by minus equal to minus. Always write the sign first, then coefficient, after that only variables. 20 divided by 5 is 4. X and x will get cancelled, y and y will get cancelled. So this is your answer. The next one, minus by plus equal to minus. 24 divided by 6 is 4. A square divided by a will be a power 2 minus 1. A power 1. B square divided by b will also be b power 1. C square. If you have b power 1 or a power 1 anywhere, you can directly write that as b. No need to put the power 1. It is not necessary. Next, again you have a minus sign. Minus by plus equal to minus 5. Only 5 is there. So 5. X square divided by x will be x power 2 minus 1, 1. See, here also you have something new. The bigger power is in the denominator. So far, you compare all the previous questions, the numerator will have the bigger power. See, for example, this one, a power 2. Here you have only a power 1. B power 2. Here you have only b power 1. So, the bigger power was in the numerator. Here, the smaller power is in the denominator. But see, in this question, the denominator is having the bigger power. So we will do the problem in the same way. We will subtract the powers. Y power 2 minus 1 is 1 only, but we will write the variable in the denominator, y power 1. So minus 5x by y. Don't keep it like this with power 1. 40 divided by 10 is 4. P cube, same power will get cancelled. Q power 4 minus 1 will be Q power 3. R is not having any other R, so R power 5. Minus by plus is minus. 64 divided by 4 is 16. X power 4 by x cube is x power 1. Y power 3 by y power 2 will be y power 1. Z and Z will get cancelled. So you should write minus 16 x y. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Again here the denominator is having the bigger power. So what should we do? By x 2 minus 1 no, x power 1. And next you have y power 14 in the denominator and y power 5 in the numerator. So again you subtract, but you write the answer where? In the denominator. 14 minus 5, 9. In the next question, the question is given slightly differently. First you have a fraction, after that you have a division sign. What you have to do is minus 3m by 4. When you have a division, you change it into multiplication. Now we have changed the division to multiplication, no? So what we should do is, for this one we should write the reciprocal, 2m. Now this is like a single fraction only, equal to minus 3m by 4 into 2m. Now you can cancel as it is. Here itself you can do the cancelling. M and M will get cancelled. The numbers are not getting cancelled. There is a minus sign. Then 3 by 8. M got cancelled. The next one, minus by minus is plus. 15 by 5 is 3. P power 6 will get cancelled. Q power 8 minus 7 is Q power 1. So you get 3Q equal to, here also you have, see, I think this is the first question so far where you have two minus signs. In all the other questions that we saw, you had only one minus sign. Here you have two minus signs, minus by minus, plus. Minus by plus is minus. 21 by 14, you can cancel in 7 tables, you will get 3 by 7. M power 5 by m square. M power 5 minus 2 is m power 3. N power 7 minus 2 will be n power 5. Next, there is only plus sign. 36 divided by 4 is 9. See, a power 4, a cube. A power 4 minus 3 is a. X power 5 minus 2 is x cube. And y power 6 minus 2 is y power 4. We have nothing in the denominator. Next one, 20 divided by 5 is 4. X power. Next, again you have a fraction first and a division symbol next, just like the first problem. 28 a square b cube divided by c square. The multiplication should become, the division should become multiplication on, and for the next one you put a reciprocal, 1 by 4abc. Now you can cancel directly with the numerator. 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. A square divided by a will be a power 1. B cube divided by b will be b square. See, these two are in the denominator only. So you have to multiply. C square into c is c power 3. Next one, 2a square by 9b square. Division becomes multiplication. Then we have to put reciprocal. So 2a by 3b. Then see what we can cancel. Actually 2 cannot be cancelled here. 3 also can't be cancelled in the numerator. All the a's are in the numerator, all the b's are in the denominator. Actually nothing can be cancelled. So we have to multiply everything. 2 into 2, 4. A power 2 plus 1 will be a power 3. by 9 3s are 27, b power 2 plus 1 3. The next one, minus 5.5 x square by y. Division becomes multiplication. Then reciprocal, y by 11 x. Cancel, you can cancel the y and y. Now there is a minus sign, no? So you put a minus sign. If you don't like the 5.5, what you can do is you can write 55 x square. I am going to cancel the y by 11x. I have removed the decimal, no? You put a 10 extra, or you cancel directly. Now I will get minus 55 by 11 is 5. 5 by 10 will be, or you can write 5. X square by x is x by 10. Again you can keep decimal point. Since the question was given in decimals, we can also write the answer in decimals. Minus 0.5 x equal to 64 x square y square by z square. Division becomes multiplication. Z by 8xy equal to. Now see what are the common variables and numbers. 64 divided by 8 is 8. X square divided by x is x. Y square divided by y is y. But see, the z's power is bigger in the denominator. So z square divided by z, you will get z only. You have to write it in the denominator.